Doctors' Body IMA has warned Kerala government to cancel Bakrid relaxations or it will go to court. This after Kerala government had declared that lockdown restrictions in the state will be relaxed for 3 days starting Sunday for Bakrid. Vivek Karindalam joining us on the phone line. Vivek, we are tapping into information from all across the country on violation of COVID norms, and there are serious warnings being sounded for the third wave. At a time like this, any religious gathering or any human gathering for that matter can prove to be disastrous. What is the procedure being followed for observing the festivals that are coming up, particularly Bakrid, which is on the 21st of July?
Yes, as you said, that there is, preparations which is going on for the Bakrid celebrations as of now. Now, what we understand is that the government, has eased the restrictions as of now. And now, one of the major issues right now is that, the cases, especially the COVID positive cases, if you look at yesterday, it was 16,300 with a test positivity rate of 10.95%. Now, one of the reasons why the government was forced to open up the shops, give permission to open up the shops was mainly because of the demand and the protest, especially from the traders. The traders have been protesting for the last 2 weeks. There was also, scuffle between the police and the traders union last week in Kozhikode, where they said that, the government is not allowing them to operate, and because of which there is a major revenue dip, and they financially, most of the traders, if you look at the hotels, 30 to 35% of the small-scale restaurants in Kerala has shut down because of this. A lot of shops, a lot of merchants has been very, very badly affected. And they said that at a time of Bakrid, and especially when large number of people are expected to come and buy, food materials and other items, that it's at this time that one of the time the revenue increases, and that's when that the government should allow them to operate. But the government, there was advices from the KGMOA and the medical experts saying that the government should not allow. Initially, the Pinarayi Vijayan government, especially after the initial talks, the government did not give the permission. But later part, the government had to agree.
Yes.
After massive pressure that has been built upon these, the government officials, especially from Kozhikode and Malappuram, where most of these shopkeepers, especially Bakrid is celebrated in North Kerala in with much fanfare. So that is one of the reasons the government had to buckle to pressure. And the government had to agree. Now, what is even more shocking is that it's not just the shops being opened for Bakrid celebrations, but the number of devotees going to Sabarimala at this point of time, even that has been increased from 5,000 to 10,000. So this is also called up the wrath of a lot of people, and especially at a time when the COVID cases are increasing, 5,000 to 10,000 also. In temples like Guruvayur, the Devaswam board has allowed and devotees up to 600 per day through online booking. So all these kind of things, all these moves by the government, ease of restrictions, especially at a time when the COVID cases are surging up with a high TRP rate, test positivity rate, this is something which, many has questioned at this point of time. Mainly, the medical experts, IMA, KGMOA, and also a few opposition parties have also questioned these kind of things. Remember, there has been incidents of merchants and traders committing suicide of late.
Yes.
All these things, have put pressure on the government to, give them permission to open the shops. But now this is
right, but that's the job of the leadership to actually decide where they draw the balance. There might be, of course, instances of merchants suffering business losses, but the price to pay for easing out restrictions at this stage could be huge, given the fact that Kerala is already one of those worst affected states with very high test positivity rate. There can be no chances taken. The virus, as we all know, will not take a holiday of 3 days for Bakrid or any other festival for that matter. Thanks for joining us, Vivek.